Okay, welcome back, grade 1. This is the second part of today's work, right? It's page number 7, Open Door English book. Okay, now here this exercise says write in or an. Copy the sentences in your notebook. You don't have to copy these sentences in notebook, you just have to do it on the book. And in case you don't have your book, then you can do it on your notebooks. Sorry, on your loose sheets, right? Okay, now you have to, in this exercise, you just have to write the position of this dragon, right? You have to write either in or on. Like baby dragon is on the pot. He is in the cup. He's not on the cup now, so he will write he is in the cup. Baby dragon is in the jug or on the jug? In the jug. He is in the nest. Now he is on the box. He is on the mat. What you have to do, you have to write his position, that wherever he is, if he is in that object, you write in, or if he is on that object, you write on. Okay. Next one is, okay, before we do this exercise, let me explain it. Okay, for boys and for men, we use he, right? And we don't write the name again and again. Okay, we just write he. And for girls and for women, we use she, right? So let's do this exercise now. For dragon, they have already used he. He is a dragon, so you have to write either he or she. He is sleeping. Now a woman, so you will write she. She is a woman, she is sitting. He is a man, he is standing. Wherever a man or a boy will come, you will write he, and wherever a girl will come, you will write she, right? So this is all about this exercise. You will do this one as well. Now move on to page number 8. Okay, page number 8. Just look at this picture, right? And it will explain everything. It's basically actions. Here they are doing something. These animals are doing something, and you have to write their actions. Okay, so this fox is reading, right? Mama dragon is standing. She's not doing anything. Cat is sleeping. The dog is running. And baby dragon is jumping. And Tiddly dragon is playing. He's just playing. So this is all the picture. You just look at this picture and you find out what they are doing in this picture. Then check the spellings from the word bank, right? Like sleeping, playing, standing, running, jumping, and reading. Then here you will do the blanks. Tiddly dragon is, you have to write playing. He is playing. Baby dragon is jumping. The dog is running. Mama dragon is standing. The cat is sleeping. And the fox is reading, right? So we are done with this exercise as well. Next one says capital letters, right, look different from lowercase letters. You know this. You're grade 1. You all know that capital letters are different, small letters are different, and it's what you have to do here. You have to say the sound of the letters below, circle the capital letters. H, and this one is capital letter, they have circled it. So where you will circle this capital letter, and you will just say the sound D, T, S, K, E, P, W. What you have to do, you just have to circle the capital letters to show that this one is the capital letter. And the last question is underline the capital letters in the story. Go back to the story, right? Go back to the story. From here, right? Here is Mama Dragon. What you have to do, wherever there is a capital letter in the story, you have to circle it like this in this whole story. So that is your last question, right? We will do till page 8 today, and that's it. So enjoy your weekend, and you do your work nicely and just send it to me. I'll be waiting for your work, right? Thank you. Allah Hafiz.